Welcome to another episode of Veer Peer Help. Today I'm going to discuss a little bit about how to get connected on this mobile hotspot. What is this mobile hotspot? What does it mean? Basically, if you want to plug your computer, if you want to get your computer online, right? And you don't have, let's say, Wi-Fi around that you can connect to or something like that. There's a tool here called Mobile Hotspot. Okay, I'll tap on it. Now, there's a catch. Mobile Hotspot is designed to use your HP Veer AT&T connection, right, and route that through to your computer over the Wi-Fi through your phone. So that means it's kind of like when you, let's say you're at home or you're at the office or you're at Starbucks or something like that, and you want to get on a Wi-Fi, right? You want to get on the internet. You log into the Wi-Fi there, okay, at the whatever respective location. Well, in this case, you would turn this on, and then it would basically function as that thing that you log into. You would see it come up. The network info would be called this WebOS network D1 blah blah blah. You could actually rename it if you want. So rename it My Mobile Network. And I highly recommend it, giving it a passphrase, WPA2 security, preferably, rather than giving it no security at all. But you set those things, and then literally it just functions as what's called a access point. Okay. Now the catch is you have to have a service that allows this, which means in the case of AT&T, you need to have the package that is currently a 4 GB package that includes tethering. The 2 GB package does not include that. Now, for those of you that are a little bit more intrepid, a little bit more daring, or a little bit more cheap, if you don't like to do that and you don't think you're going to be using too many gigs of data or megs of data, really, you don't have to use this mobile hotspot. Although I do highly recommend it, because if you do use a lot of data, it's super useful, completely legitimate app. You can use a different app called Free Tether. Now, Free Tether you can't install off the app catalog. It's a little bit more involved. I'm not going to get into that. If you want to learn more about it, you can go to webosinterns.org and learn about it there, or you can just Google Free Tether WebOS. It's one word. And basically, the way this works is if you basically learn and figure out how to install it, once you install it, you get the choice of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB. Now, I haven't tried any of these, to tell you the truth, but I've heard that Wi-Fi works very well. I've heard that maybe Bluetooth might not work. I can't confirm this, so if it works, go ahead and tell me in the comments. I'm going to go ahead and say that it probably does. All right, and then you could also use USB. But really, when you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, I mean, I don't really see too much point in using USB. But if you want to maintain absolute maximum throughput, you can use the USB cable. But basically, it works the same way. You turn it on, and then it will basically, you can use it as an access point for your computer. All right, you go through here to select the different preferences. For example, Wi-Fi prefs to change the name of the and change the security of the Wi-Fi if you use that. So that's another method of getting online, getting on the internet. Those are basically the only methods that I know of at the moment. If you want to connect through your phone, they're both really save you if you're in a pinch. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for visiting Veer Peer Help, and if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments.